Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're exploring a powder foundation that's making waves in the beauty world. Estee Lauder Double Wear 12-Hour Stay-in-Place Matte Powder Foundation. If you're looking for long-lasting coverage, oil control, and a flawless matte finish, this product promises a lot. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Powder Foundation is designed for a wide range of skin types, including combination, oily, dry, normal, and even sensitive skin. This product claims to provide a matte finish that controls oil and shine for up to 12 hours. It comes in a compact with 0.39 ounces of powder, and today we'll be testing the shade 2C3 Fresco, a light medium with cool rosy beige undertones. It's time to see if this powder holds up under real-world conditions. First, let's talk about how easy it is to incorporate into a beauty routine. I used this powder foundation on both bare skin and on top of primer to see how well it blended and lasted. I found that the texture is smooth and finely milled, making it easy to apply with a brush or sponge. The powder has a lightweight feel, which is great for those who don't want a heavy layer of foundation but still need good coverage. When I applied it, the matte finish was noticeable right away, and it really did help control oil throughout the day. I wore it for several hours in different conditions, morning errands, a bit of outdoor activity, and even a meeting. And I didn't notice my skin getting oily or shiny, which is a win. However, it's important to note that while the coverage is buildable, it's not super full coverage on the first application. You'll need to layer it for more coverage, which isn't a huge issue for me since I prefer a more natural look. For anyone with blemishes or uneven skin tone, it might require some extra attention or layering in specific areas. I did notice that the finish didn't feel drying, which is often a concern with matte products. It stayed comfortable on my skin, even as I wore it throughout the day. Pros? The major standout here is the oil control. For anyone with oily skin or who lives in humid conditions, this is a foundation that stays put and keeps shine at bay. The matte finish is smooth and not cakey, which I find impressive for a powder foundation. I also love that it offers broad suitability for different skin types, and the shade range, including 2C3 Fresco, provides a good match for fair to medium skin tones with cooler undertones. On the downside, while the buildable coverage is nice, those looking for full coverage may not get their desired effect with just one application. I also noticed that the powder compact itself is a bit bulky for travel, so it might not be the most convenient option for your on-the-go makeup bag. When it comes to value for money, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Powder Foundation sits in the higher-end price range. It's definitely more expensive than drugstore alternatives, but the quality is there, especially if you're looking for a product that lasts all day and controls oil without drying out the skin. For the price, I'd say it's a fair investment if you need a reliable powder foundation that can handle the elements. In terms of build quality, the compact is sturdy, and I didn't notice any powder fallout when using it. It also has a nice mirror inside, which makes it practical for touch-ups throughout the day. As for longevity, I've worn this powder on multiple occasions, and the formula holds up well over time without fading or becoming patchy. As for customer support, Estee Lauder has always been known for offering good customer service. I haven't had any direct experiences with returns or issues, but based on the brand's reputation, I expect they'd be responsive if any problems arose. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder could be a good option. It also offers a matte finish and oil control, though it might not have the same long-lasting power as Estee Lauder's Double Wear. But for those on a tighter budget, it's certainly worth considering. In conclusion, the Estee Lauder Double Wear 12-Hour Stay-in-Place Matte Powder Foundation lives up to its claims of controlling oil and providing a long-lasting matte finish. It's well-suited for anyone with oily or combination skin who needs something reliable to combat shine throughout the day. While it's not the most high-coverage option out there, it's perfect for a natural, flawless look. If you have sensitive skin or prefer a more lightweight feel, this might be your new go-to. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.